I think university-based Yiddish is really a problem. And I see it already in my son's second quarter of Yiddish with Weinreich, even with a good teacher. And you'll hear this from Rita, I'm sure, that it ain't Yiddish unless it has some tom. It isn't Yiddish unless you're making it up, unless you're murdering the language, but you're making yourself understood. I mean, the whole joy of Yiddish is not getting it right. The word order, what does Leo Rustin say? You know, she's playing Carnegie Hall and she gave me 2 tickets. She gave me Carnegie Hall and she gave me 2 tickets. She's playing Carnegie Hall and she only gave me 2 tickets. You know, it's all of the emphasis and the word order and the. So, I'm not sure about University Yiddish as the best base. I'm also really sure that it's too late in people's lives, and not too late altogether. But I mean, I still think, I believed very strongly that the pilot program I did for 2 years with preschoolers aged 2 to 5 was really important, because it proved to me anyway that that's the age when they learn, and if you want it to really be part of them, you have to start really young. And so instead we have PJ Library. Do you know what that is? Sending Jewish books to kids. That's good. But I got that idea from how native Chinook, native speakers, are trying to preserve Chinook in this area, and they're doing it in daycare centers, and that's the right place. Maybe all the university-trained people will have Yiddish daycare centers with Russians to teach them Yiddish. That's not that far-fetched.